So let's constructing congruent line segments are here. Here's segment AB we've been given. When I'm constructing a copy of it, then I'll move to the bottom of the paper and there's another segment called CD. I will add to AB to show you adding line segments. So first step is draw a new longer segment with your straight edge. So I literally could use right here with no marks. Extra long because I know I'm going to want to add the line below also, so I'm just trying to use a straight edge to get something longer than what I know this CD and AB side by side would be. I think I've accomplished that by making it darker so it'll videotape. Now I'm going to take, since the first segment I was given is AB, and I'm copying it, I'm going to place an endpoint on the left side of the new segment and label it A prime. By having that apostrophe called prime, it indicates of something that was original. Now I'm going to get my safety compass, and these have a little nub on the bottom that will grab the paper and allow me to pivot and do things. I'm going to put that nub, I sometimes call it the bullseye, on top of point A so that I can see point A directly. I'm going to hold it firmly. Then I'm going to pinch this side and pull it so I can see point B in the center of that hole there. And now I've got points A and B captured. I slide this down and get that bullseye right over A prime. I swing a small arc. I didn't measure anything. I call that B prime. And since I know A prime, B prime is the exact same size as AB, I put a tick mark on it showing congruency. The notation to indicate the original segment AB is the exact same size as the segment I created, A prime, B prime, would be segment bar AB, congruent, that's the equal sign with the wave on top, to segment A prime, B prime. Now since I want to add CD to this, I'm going to take my tool and put point C right in the bullseye, hold it firmly, stretch this center part of the compass down so I can see D through the pencil hole there, slide this up. I'm now going to put my C point on top of my B point and swing a small arc here. I know this is where D prime would be, this is where C prime would be. And I've now added two segments. I've copied this C prime, D prime is the same here, so I'm putting two tick marks on each of those to show they go together. And if I wanted to show the notation of what I did, since this new larger piece where I added AB from up here at the top to CD, I get this whole new longer segment, so I have to give it a whole new name. I'll call it X, Y. A notation for this segment addition process we did with constructions would be segment AB plus segment CD is congruent to segment X, Y. Here's the completed larger segment from adding A prime, B prime to C prime, D prime. Here was the original AB. If I'd added it to the original CD, I would get this new longer segment XY.